Hello friends, today I am going to demonstrate how to perform artificial insemination in cow or in a buffalo. Uh, the instruments required for artificial insemination is an artificial insemination gun, which is this. It contains a sheath and there is a semen straw inside it, which contains sperm cells, preserved spermatozoa. We need a plastic or a polythene gloves to protect ourselves from any kind of infection that can result due to handling of the animal and handling of the reproductive tract of the animal. So I insert my left hand through the rectum. This is the rectum, and I grab hold of the cervix, which is this part. I have opened it to show you the rings of this cervix. Otherwise, this is a closed structure. So after inserting my gun through rectum, the AI technician or the artificial insemination technician grab holds of the cervix. Then we insert the gun through the vulva into the vagina. Then we insert the gun through the vulva into the vagina, and we look for the opening of the cervix. This is the opening of the cervix. So after entering the cervix, we face the first ring, and then we cross it. I have crossed the first ring, and then we look for the second ring, then we cross the second ring, and similarly we look for the third ring, and finally we are inside the body of the uterus. We drop the semen either in the mid cervix or here. This is the body of the cervix, but we have to take enough precautions while performing this artificial insemination, that the gun should be neat and clean. It should not be contaminated with dung or any other substance, because uterus is a very sensitive organ, and any kind of impurity can lead to a big infection, which can ultimately lead to endometritis, and the chances of pregnancy are then very bleak. So after reaching the body of the uterus, or we can say mid cervix, we then deliver the semen into the uterus by simply pressing this piston, and we drop this semen into the uterus. Sometimes we have to do some intrauterine injections in case there is severe endometritis or pyometra. In that case, we insert the AI gun similarly through the cervix into the uterus, and then we deliver the antibiotic solution directly either in the body of the uterus, or if the infection is more pronounced in any of the horns, then we go to the respective horn. Here you see these are two horns of the uterus. Then we reach this horn. Suppose if we have to deliver here the antibiotic solution, then we remove this tester or AI gun, and then we instead inject. We attach a syringe here. For delivering the antibiotic solution, we remove this AI gun, and then we suppose this syringe contains an antibiotic solution. Then we attach the syringe here, and we drop this antibiotic solution directly into the uterus. Suppose in this horn here, or for locating another horn, we move back this sheath, and then we look for the opening of another horn here. I have removed this AI gun. Then we go for the dropping of antibiotic solution in the next horn, or in the left horn. So this is the process of performing artificial insemination. This is an in vitro method. In practice it's a bit different, but the principle remains the same. We grab hold of the cervix, and then we pass the AI gun through the cervix into the uterus. Thank you very much for watching.